loses the spin.
Oh shit!
Get it up just past the 20, and his guys will go to work.
You okay there, Antonio?
The 21-yard line.
I took a big ol' blast. Alright, let's get this shit, Rashad.
Here's the first NFL carry for Rashad Penny.
I don't know why this fucking game is so brutal this year.
It's a 6-yard pickup, but it gets him to 2nd and 4.
Feels like they put all their time into just making people hit hard as fuck.
Got to take some pressure off of this young quarterback, and no better way to do it than to establish the running game early.
On 2nd down, here's Penny. And he'll get about 3 here as he's out to the 30.
Okay. I didn't want to run 3 straight plays, but we need this
didn't allow
first.
any room for a cutback. Really well organized on the defensive side.
They'll try and run for it with Penny. And he gets it to the 32.
He got it.
Good enough for a first down. He needed the yard. That's what he got, and it's going to earn him a new set of downs. Defense had a chance to get off the field here on the opening drive, couldn't do it.
I know that
since
we
he
go
got
into
it,
these meetings with coaches,
keep
and
feeding
sometimes
them.
maybe we can get, a little bit numb because they're always going to talk about how important 3rd down is, aren't they? Offense and defense.
Oh, Shazy, you're so fast.
And the others, you said, had a chance to get off the field and didn't get it done.
2 yards on the carry there. It'll be 2nd down.
One thing to keep in mind, partner, especially
not very
in the second
fast
half,
anymore,
when you've got a running back of this size, with these dimensions, I can just tell you, attrition does set in for a defense because you're excited about hitting him in the first half. Maybe not so much in the second half, and some of these shorter gains turn into bigger runs.
Nowhere to go.
Fuck, someone get that shit.
And it's picked up by the Steelers.
Fuck me.
Take over right there at the 22-yard line.
This game sucks because the tuck rule doesn't exist anymore. So you just can't get it away.
Out in the pattern. And in this situation, you know what the quarterback has to do? Act as his own blitz control.
Yeah, he's got nobody else there to protect him.
No one else there to protect, which means he's got to get rid of the football and absorb the hit, but not go down and fumble the ball.
I fucking hate Le'Veon Bell. You can't do shit. We're starting off fantastic.
Le'Veon Bell, a 22-yard touchdown grab. And the Steelers have taken a first-quarter lead. Getting your back involved, what's the importance there in the passing game?
Well, oftentimes you can create mismatches because who's going to cover him? And you get him into space, which is where he likes to operate with the ball in his hands. Oftentimes makes people miss.
Returning it.
Run after the
going to the house.
Off he goes.
And into the end zone.
Oh, I was so close. He's at 92 speed. He doesn't really run like it.
The Browns heading out on offense.
Well, we don't do too well passing.
It's been 10 straight years of losing seasons. 0-16 last year. But it feels like there is some optimism. Is it warranted?
It'll be warranted if they can translate all of that optimism.
Just like every play, they just fucking hit so hard.
The molding of a team into winning a game and then turning it into at least a modest winning streak. They have a great opportunity here in the opener against the Pittsburgh Steelers, their hated rival. That will make everyone feel better, not just the organization, but all the fans that surround them.
And this is caught by
what are you doing? Move!
And he'll be out of bounds after getting this one across the 40.
What was that?
They're good enough to move the sticks. Baker Mayfield, obviously the #1 pick overall. That was controversial, though. What ultimately made the Browns go in his way?
Well, post-draft, I did hear a Browns executive talk about the efficacy of Baker Mayfield. In other words, how people react to him, how people respond to him.
Sit down.
They talked about seeing him at a workout, how he showed up, yelled out to the other guys. They yelled back with the same response.
Still draw.
Right
I don't really do this.
They were ready to start the workout.
Let's see how it.
Let's
see how it.
and his talent tip the balance in his favor to go #1.
Penny, a first
okay. We got like, what, 4 yards?
After a pickup of 4. Tough running there.
Not
That's
bad.
a hard-earned 4 yards.
Yeah, those are the unsung kind of runs. They don't fill up the stat sheet, but they do set you up in good position on 2nd down.
Fuck Ryan Shazier. He's already going to be on it.
They'll run it again with Penny.
Yep, that's how people work.
Down to the 19.
I might just, like, it's not technically a designed run, but I just might fucking take off with Baker. Unless, like, someone's open in the end zone.
From the gun on third down. Buying time to his left.
Yeah, that was not a good idea.
Jonathan Bostic.
Or at least getting on the board.
Well, it's about how teams are so competitively matched, and you just want to make those plays that give you an advantage. How about right here? The difference between letting them score a touchdown versus holding them to a field goal, that's absolutely huge with the play he just made.
And you know he hated taking the loss there on third down. So that's a 7-play drive that ultimately stalls out there at the end.
Yeah, things were a little leaky in the beginning on that drive, weren't they? But how about the front seven? As they got closer to the goal line, things stiffened a little bit, forced the field goal.
Good stuff, Body Calhoun.
The Steelers making their way out. It's sort of an interesting offseason for them. You at times get the sense that there's not always complete harmony. But, boy, when you get everyone together and that offense is humming, there's something to watch.
They almost feel like the team. They actually
not fucking again. I hate this play.
The ball, different guys want attention. And then when it's focused on them, they tend to produce. And I think on the defensive side of the ball, they got a great rookie season out of T.J. Watt at outside linebacker. But I'm hearing whispers this offseason that Bud Dupree, another outside linebacker, is due for a big season. And if so, they could be back to being known as Blitzburg.
They're facing a tough spot, 3rd and 8 here to start things out.
I feel like T.J. Watt should just play the end like J.J., but I'm not a fucking NFL boy.
Out of the gun, it's Roethlisberger. He gets it to Brown, complete. First catch for the NFL's leader in receiving yards a year ago, and a first down.
Fuck him.
And connection number 1 there on the game, Roethlisberger.
I don't want to blitz, really.
Antonio Brown, that's what his high school teammates used to call him.
I wonder what they would call him now.
More
muscular, they called him Tony, huh?
Tony Brown, right?
It's funny, because that's a normal term for his fucking Antonio. That doesn't make, why is that a funny anecdote they decided to add into this game?
Fullback out of the backfield. And he'll be taken down at the 46-yard
line. I don't know why I'm so pissed
at
that.
7, and it'll bring up a second down. Able to get 7 on that first down pass play.
Might be going
second and 3. On second down, here's Roethlisberger.
Jabril, why didn't you catch that?
Jabril Peppers.
Are you a fucking dummy or are you a fucking dummy?
There are a good number of coaches at any time they call an in route are really worried about the play because there's so much traffic ordinarily that the ball has to get through to get to the receiver. And I'm not
I hate their formations.
James has it, and he's got the first down before being taken down at the 46.
I'm just getting eaten up. My fucking defense is decent. Good corners and good safeties. I don't know why they can't cover shit.
Didn't get a whole lot of yardage on the play, but it did what it was supposed to. Pick up a first down.
Looking left sideline.
I don't know how the Steelers are such a good team, but they just haven't done shit recently.
They're trying to throw it to the sideline, but he led him just a little bit too much, trying to get it out to his receiver.
They haven't won a
ends up falling to the ground
championship since like what, 2009 or something.
On second down, it's Bell.
Oh my. Quit it. This is OP. He's too fucking OP.
The Steeler first down on the pickup of 11 yards.
I'd love to see him do 500 fucking spin moves in real life. I'd love to see it.
Shorter and shorter. How long can he go at this torrid pace?
Usually we say 30 is kind of the line of demarcation for a running back.
Well, what are my guys doing?
All 16 games in 2017, takes great care of himself off the field.
No one on my defense besides my linebackers, or well, like none of my defensive backs are lower than an 80 overall. What the fuck are they on?
And what did we just see there?
I'm gonna fucking kill myself. Oh my god.
In for the score.
Ogba, go fucking punch him in the face or some shit. Don't let him play rock, paper, scissors in your face.
Able to catch it, also able to have the wherewithal to take it in for the score.
And how about the
phases we ain't giving
of a successful
we about to get his done.
And a completion of a play? Look the ball in, secure the catch, and then, of course, the run after the catch that ends up in the end zone.
Oh, if you could have held him for a bit longer.
Just past the 30-yard line. This offense trots back out there now.
We're not settling for anything lower than a touchdown.
Are some of the new rules in the NFL this year regarding kickoff?
Yeah, nowadays the kickoff team, no more running starts. Remember that when you got to circle a guy around and here he goes? No more. You have to start, close to the ball. And when it's kicked, then you get to take off and go, so you can't build up your speed that way. Also, when you're returning it, remember those wedges that we used to say where guys would form together, 2 or 3 guys? No more of those. So it'd be a lot more man-on-man, one-on-one blocking. And also,
just floated.
Where people have to be when the ball's kicked, where they have to be when the ball's caught. So to me, it's much more like a punt return than it is an actual kickoff return. So I'm eager to see if teams now take their punt returners, those nifty guys who make
All right, let's see how this goes.
And make them the kickoff returners as well. Because I think you can still get big plays in this area if you have the right people back there.
A reminder coming up at the half.
Okay, this play's got good potential. Only one safety. Oh shit! How was that a fumble, bro? I fucking throw the ball. Get it out of your hand. Fuck, dude. Making me scrimp, Baker Mayfield.
So now 2 fumbles lost here in this first half.
Not setting the pace the way that you want it done. I mean, here in the
this
first
fucking
half,
bastard, dude.
Come back and hit the turf. Gotta find a way to take care of it. Otherwise, they may have to start thinking about maybe someone different in that position.
If my fucking corners don't start actually fucking playing.
Roethlisberger now hitting on 80% of his passes.
This is so ass.
It's first down.
What's that safety doing out there if he doesn't fucking know how to read the defense? Jabril, you went the other way! What are you thinking?
And that'll bring up second down.
The way he's been slinging in the first half, you expect everything.
I think this game, just playing as the Browns, makes you worse. It just lowers all the fucking people.
This will be caught at about the 6.
Yeah, don't fucking give him another yard.
He's able to get it down to the 2-yard
I was afraid he was going to get shook, though.
Getting 10 back as that sets him up for third down.
Oh, my
goodness. The mistake of the
goodness.
slot receivers, especially the little guys like we're watching here, are just quicker than fast.
I never wanted to cut my dick off more in my life.
And they catch a lot of footballs, as we just saw there.
They'll try and run for it with Bell. He didn't get the touchdown, but he
got
did
the
get the
first
down as he's tackled at the 1.
I'm going to fuck up the commentators.
That was enough as they'll convert to make it first and goal.
Just about every coach we talk to says the crowd shouldn't affect us. That shouldn't be an issue. And then the next breath they talk about taking the crowd and taking them out of the game by picking up first downs.
Don't let Big Ben rush.
And he's in.
What the fuck was that? Yeah, don't fucking drop your head. You're just a retard.
For Ben Roethlisberger. And the Steelers find a way to stretch their lead.
I heard a coach talk about those late-in-the-half scores, especially ones that give your team a pretty decent cushion. He said those could be the ones
Make him a
that can
blood
finish off
boy.
the squad if you let them.
Yeah, they've got the cushion. This half has been theirs. Boswell on now to kick this one away.
Oh, why would you do nothing?
This will be
Why would
taken
you
in
do
at
that?
the 1. And a pretty good return here. He'll be stopped just shy
Is
of
he
the
not
25
agile or
to
something?
24
Because he
yard
does
line.
not know how to, like, cut or change any sort of direction.
Gains our attention as the offense takes the field on Rashad Penny. He's been good.
Let's
They
just
utilized
do some
him
fucking
well,
dumb
but
shit
they're
real
losing
quick.
Here in the second quarter, what might they change
Use
offensively?
Mr. Cheat Code Jarvis
I think that what you try
Landry.
and do is expand how you get the ball to him a little bit. Get him out in open space, maybe swing the ball to him. What's that they used to call it in the West Coast offense, the long handoff?
Yeah.
Serve as your running play that way, as well as continue to feed him the football. Some of these runs now may pop bigger later in the game because of the effects of running it. Sometimes people, after a while, they don't want to tackle him anymore, or they get tired, or they get out of position, or he runs through tackles. Continue to feed him the ball. He's having that kind of game.
Yeah, might they get him the ball in some space in some different ways?
Why?
Under a heavy rush, and
Why
down
can't
he
I
goes.
fucking
And
do
the Steelers
anything?
signal for another timeout. As the clock stops here with 46 seconds remaining in the first half. And some secondary help here for the defense in the nickel on 3rd and long. 3rd and long for Mayfield. Going deep here for Landry. And incomplete.
Landry, 98 overall catch rating. What the fuck was that?
And attempted a deep ball there. They didn't get it. But, boy, they're going to need a few of those to actually hit in order to get back into this game.
I need most of them to fucking hit.
It's
going to fucking shake me. Nope.
That'll be put in the books as a 53-yard punt.
Be putting the books that I fucked him up.
Now they head back onto the field.
Yeah, maybe I can do the same shit they can and fucking get to them before they can throw it. But I doubt it.
Not sure it can be much better than that. They've got to feel very good.
Oh, yep. Fucking doubt it.
Throwing the out route incomplete.
Bro, you're 92 overall speed. Eli Rogers is like a fucking 40.
Before he's brought down. The Steeler first down on the pickup of 11 yards.
Well, that's what you're looking for when you want to throw the ball downfield. You want one of those guys who can play out on the perimeter, can play out wide, who can not only get open.
Oh, yeah, look, someone's fucking open. And there's 40 fucking guys on my defense. Nowhere near him. Look how that shit works.
Now whistles and a timeout with 3 seconds left in the first half. So 3 seconds here remain in the half. On is the field goal unit to see about getting 3 points. And now we'll get a late timeout.
Now make
as
this
it comes
shit.
in the waning moments of quarter number 2. So 3 seconds here remain.
What, does icing the shit not work?
Goal unit to see about getting 3 points. They'll spot it at the 47, so call it a 57-yard attempt.
Oh, I mean, he missed, so I'm happy about that.
To the left. All right, we will save the Week 1 highlights and apparently get right back to the action here in the third. So we've reached halftime here on opening weekend. We'll see if Week 1 fatigue becomes any kind of a factor as we are back underway in the second half. This fielded a few yards into the end zone.
Thank God.
Some might have returned that one. He won't. He'll go down to a knee, and they'll start the drive from the 25. The Steeler offense
we're playing
first here to begin the third quarter.
Only
They've
prevention.
built a good first half lead. Now they have a chance to add on to it.
And what I'm thinking is that the offensive
I don't really know what that shit means, so I'm just gonna. Oh, guess we're doing a play.
Going to do to attack us in the second half. Nice first half that we've had, guys, but be prepared for some change-ups. We're going to see them when we kick it off in the second half.
See how they handle any adjustments that might be made defensively.
He shook that.
Space to maneuver at the 40. And he's going to get
Fuck you. Bro, when in his life has Ben Roethlisberger ever rushed for 30 yards?
Not the most agile quarterback in NFL history.
No, he's actually the fucking least agile quarterback. Tom Brady can fucking run faster than him. Thank you for stripping it. I appreciate that. Body Calhoun. Only fucking dude actually doing shit.
After the incomplete pass, here now is 2nd and 10.
Eli Rogers should not be torching us. That's all I'm saying.
And running with power here. Oh, a battle for it here, and this will be caught.
How? I love Juju, but how?
13 out of 17 throwing the ball. He's got a first down. Now a first down carry by Bell. Trying to find a lane, but instead
I feel like if you're only doing fucking pass protection, they shouldn't be able to pass that much.
Those D tackles
That's all I'm saying.
Extremely vital. I love how you describe that, because if they control things up front, often it's over the guard. Sometimes they slide and make it over the center. It's really hard to get a play started then. Because
they start using stop using hit stick.
But against a good
fuck you, Villanueva.
You may not find any space. And on that play, there was zero space.
Return soon. Okay, cool.
They're trying to show that they can run the ball and protect this lead. Give it to the backs, play a little bit of keep away.
Doing man.
That's probably a good philosophy.
I mean, everyone's good at man defense, like all my corners. So.
On third down, here's Bell. And he's going to have a first down.
Did someone fumble? Could I get like a turnover?
They get 6 on the pickup there.
Just like Denzel Ward want to pick it off and take it back, because that'd be pretty cool.
He does it at a high level, doesn't he? Because when I watch him, I think of his vision. Straight ahead, peripheral. Also has that sense of where holes are going to be before they actually open. I think that helps set him apart from many of the other backs in the league.
And he's heating up at the line of scrimmage. Might have gotten a yard down to the 16.
And we're not.
They're in a pretty good spot right now with a
Big Ben on one rush has more yards than Le'Veon Bell on 7.
They've controlled this game. I don't see why that.
I don't think anyone has ever said that in their life.
They'll run it now out of the gun. Trying to run inside, but nothing there.
On 8
no
rushes.
Gain on the play there, so that doesn't help. Now they're looking up at a 3rd and 9 situation. And as a defensive end, getting off the ball quickly, swarming to the football, making a tackle, that's what we saw right there.
Yeah, and that's what their job is. And really, a lot of the time, they have to throttle back a little bit in the run game. Because
nice.
You know those defensive ends.
Why can't you guys fucking do shit?
Just headed straight for the quarterback.
You're awful. What, do you have 2 total pass breakups? Because I'm pretty sure that's it.
That sets up a 1st and goal.
2 out of like 23 fucking passes.
Trying to slow down this offense. It has not worked to this point.
Yeah, I have a vision right now of everything that was discussed in the morning, just being torn in shreds.
Just fucking like kill him. Just snap his neck or something.
None of it is working. They are really locked in on offense.
And he got off the end there very quickly to make that play.
Yeah, it was almost like the bullet train, wasn't it? I mean, just zoom. Quick, quick, quick. And what a terrific play, holding them to no gain.
Now Roethlisberger to throw on 2nd down. Throwing middle, but it's incomplete. He was looking for his big.
I'm pretty sure playing on pro just makes my players fucking worse.
All right, partner, you look at a play call like that, and you have to think to yourself, that's got to be one to pad the stats a little bit, huh?
He has had a great game throwing the football, and I think you're right. Maybe getting a little greedy again down near the end zone.
Nice way to be.
Back at the 11-yard line, Christian Kirksey with a big-time sack on 3rd down, and it'll be a loss of 7.
And that's the kind of stand all defenses are seeking. 3rd and goal, backs against the wall, and they get a monster sack, and now they're going to force them into a field goal. For them, that's a win.
Oh, let's score 3 times
so
in practically one quarter.
Not this time, able to knock it through, give his guys 3.
I like his poise. I like his confidence, his belief in himself. Sometimes when you miss that first one, you see a lot of guys sag and they can't make the next one. Not in this case.
How was that a powerful hit? You just fucking headbutted me in my ass.
Here's the Browns now. They get their first possession of the 3rd quarter. They trail offense first time to touch
bring
the
it
ball
back
in quarter
to
3, and we'll see
the
what
football
they
we
can do.
play.
And I can't wait to see what they have planned.
Hold
because
incognito. You're an 85 overall. Hold a fucking block.
Other teams just go, okay, these are the sequence of plays we want to run. These things worked well for us. And sometimes they throw in that big chunk play right away.
Shocker.
Try and get after them early and try and create a big play to give themselves some momentum.
See what they have up their sleeve.
When you get to the fucking line, we have 8 seconds.
Mayfield now on 2nd down. He's going to look deep now for Landry. And that is caught.
Way to beat. Way to beat.
He pulled it in.
That's the shit I'm looking for.
A lot of folks starting to make their way to the parking lot. Their guys trail big here to begin quarter number 4. Mayfield. It's the first NFL touchdown pass
Finally.
for the Heisman winner, Baker Mayfield.
Fucking finally.
Well, you would think that if you threw 119 touchdowns,
this is a dumb animation.
Time at Oklahoma, another one might be routine, but now when it's your first one in the NFL, welcome to the league, Baker Mayfield, and look out, NFL defenses.
Gonzalez good on the extra point, and that cuts the lead to 24-10.
Okay, can we play good defense for the first time this fucking game?
Gonzalez now to kick this one away. This fielded a few yards into the end zone. And a couple yards deep, he'll go to a knee.
I don't know why they put on a fucking 25.
And they'll take it out to the 25. And Pittsburgh getting set to take the field. They've been pretty anemic on this side of the football in the second half, just 3 points. And you just saw the touchdown go the other way. So it's a 2-score game. We're not done here yet.
I think everyone's on the edge of their seats now because they're anticipating what's coming. And I sense that everyone in the stadium knows they need to keep it on the ground. So if you're going to do that, hope the quarterback is stretched a little bit. Some bootlegs, right? Some fakes inside, getting out to the perimeter. Those might be open for him.
They'll go again with Bell.
Okay.
And
good shit. Don't give him too many yards.
He only got a couple on that one, so
okay,
not
another
a ton
probably passing.
This defense,
you don't need to be that deep
when they need to, and right now they're winning this fourth quarter, losing the game, but they're winning in the fourth quarter.
And what a fine line it is about what they're trying to get done, because they're down.
Nice,
so
nice.
Need a score, but they can't be so aggressive as to give up their edge, their gaps, and have the offense
okay,
this is
we have promise.
The route tree as many times as you want, get in sync, practice it, do all those things. But once you get to game speed, it doesn't always time up quite that well. That one goes incomplete.
Barry on to punt as he gets this one away. And now Cleveland geared up to take the field. And for them, a touchdown their last go-around. Obviously, they'll be hoping to do that again.
And when you start plotting for this drive, when you start thinking to yourself, okay, what are we going to do? You don't go away from what you did before because that worked. But you have to be prepared for wrinkles and counters because you know they'll make some adjustments.
And he'll be taken down, but not before he gets into enemy territory.
I don't want to do a play action, but...
Now a play fake here.
That's why I didn't want to do a play action. I feel like he should have blocked a little bit instead of being a fucking asshole.
And it'll make this a 2nd and long. And you hate to say it with a rookie quarterback. He's done some good things, but overall, looked a little bit overwhelmed back there, hasn't he?
No, he's just been not getting fucking blocks. At all, bro. Why? My fucking line is good.
Pick up his 2nd sack now of the afternoon.
This has been a tough one for this offensive line. It appears almost like
fucking cheap plays
this entire game.
Let's see how it does again.
6 sacks given up in this one.
Need something from deep in the bag of tricks here after 1st and 2nd down. Went
probably get sacked.
Very long. Escaping the pressure right.
Get it.
And he couldn't hang on to it.
You didn't hang on? Fuck you, dude. Why didn't you hang on?
All right, they're going to try and keep hope alive here on 4th down. They're going for it. Desperation time. Mayfield on 4th down. Going deep.
Nice. Nice. You went away from it. You went away from it. Why? This game is fucking rigged.
Well, when someone other than the quarterback is throwing the football, it's
what
either
the fuck?
Or a disaster, and here it was the latter.
Nowhere in between, right? You're exactly right. It takes some fortitude to call that type of a play, but when it doesn't work, oh boy, you wish you had it.
Now Bell, and tough going there as he'll only get it up to about the 31.
Better be fucking Le'Veon Bell hurt. No, it's always my dudes. Is injuries only for my own fucking players? Because that's bullshit. The fucking point of injuries being on is so you can hurt the other people.
Again, it's Bell, and he'll get this up only to about the 33. 2 yards on the carry there, and it's going to lead him to 3rd down.
And this is an absolutely big 3rd down that's been set up here, partner, and there's no other way to put it. The defense has
Can someone,
to get
like, run it back? Like, catch it, run it the fuck back?
Big 3rd down, I'd put the word big in capital letters here. On 3rd down, Roethlisberger.
No, you're just going to play shitty fucking defense. Fuck!
Brought down, but not before reaching the 45-yard line.
Why the fuck?
Hooking up with Brown to get the Steelers at first. Big hook up there, forced to throw it on 3rd down. The connection's going to keep the drive alive and also keep the clock moving.
Yeah, and from a defensive perspective,
catch it. Why? Don't bat it down. Catch it. We don't have fucking time for this.
You're in a dire situation now.
Now a nice play defensively on 1st
fucking
down.
Stress vaping right now.
And incomplete. On the counter, here's Bell. And he is met quickly in the backfield. Down he goes, folded like a lawn chair. It's a loss of 4. Now 3rd down. The Steelers on 3rd down. They've hit on 6 of their 8 tries. Very good. This is 3rd and 14. So the Steelers with the football as we get you reset. And let's see what they've come up with.
They're probably running.
Having time to talk it over. On 3rd down. It's Bell. And he'll be taken down at the 46-yard line. And quickly, we're going to get another stop here with 1:54 left as they call the timeout defensively. Here's Jordan Berry.
Don't punt it out of bounds, you fucking cuck.
For the 2nd time.
You're taking his back, Jabril. Fuck me, you fucking bastard.
And now Cleveland geared up to take the field. And following the interception, just any interception, are you a little bit more cautious when you start that next drive, or no? You just throw.
Why would I be cautious if there's a minute 50 left, bro?
I don't think that there's any way you can run back out there and go, totally didn't affect me. Let's just go ahead and be loose with the football again. You're going to take care of it, but you have to be careful about being too cautious because now you can't run any offense at all.
Still want to tackle.
I wish I had a go-go gadget arm. That'd probably be pretty fun.
They take a shot to start the drive, but this is going to wind up incomplete. It's been this way most of the afternoon, hasn't it? This secondary, it really put this receiving core on lockdown.
Listen, they've worked together like a basketball team is playing excellent defense. Great communication, doesn't matter whether it's man or zone. And especially against deep balls, as we saw there, they're not giving up anything to them.
Now a deep ball there on 2nd down, but it'll wind up incomplete. Tried to go for the big one there on 2nd down. Now they're likely down to their final 2 plays.
And you know they've got to keep going for the big shot, right? So defensively, you play what they call top down. Nothing behind you. Make everything get completed in front.
Now a desperation throw deep downfield.
That was holding, bro.
Taken on 3rd down, unsuccessful.
Fuck you, 25. You literally brought me over.
Gotta be wary of throwing an interception here because the defense knows they're going to get tested deep. That's why they're going to put a couple of extra guys back there.
Why are my shitty dudes in?
Late in the 4th quarter here, trying to preserve the lead. Mayfield to throw it. They'll tussle for it, and this is going to be caught. And now before this 1st down play, we're going to get a timeout here.
I want good players in.
Get a chance to talk it over.
Good ones.
Picking up the 1st down.
You're fucking fooling if you think I want a bad player, and there it is. That's how the fuck I want it.
1st down, Mayfield. He's going to let it fly. And it pops free. The collision there jarred the ball loose and brings up 2nd down. An incomplete pass on 1st down. That leads to a 2nd and 10.
Fucking blood.
Throwing again, Mayfield on 2nd and 10. Now a desperation throw deep downfield. And they went for a big play through the air on 2nd down. Couldn't connect. Now it's 3rd.
What the fuck is this? Stay in. I need good players.
Right there that maybe was a little questionable.
Yeah, he's pretty lucky to get that one back. I think that sometimes these quarterbacks play with a lot of confidence that borders on arrogance, and that can put your team in some Dutch.
Yeah, especially maybe want to look at some safer routes after the interception he had that ended their last drive. Man, it's caught at the 6-yard line.
Run.
Sets up a 1st and goal. 1st down now, but the
clock
continues.
Fat asses. Hurry up. 62.
And with the clock ticking under 50 seconds now, he spikes it. They come up here with another shot from the 6-yard line, and it's 2nd and goal now. And again, it's Mayfield.
Nice. Nice.
For a late touchdown. So hold everything here. This one's not over yet.
Don't actually. Why the fuck did I have you celebrate? We need to fucking. We need to get back. This is no time to celebrate.
Okay, you got the touchdown, but it sure took you a long time.
Yeah, because offensively, though, you're probably hoping for a 1 to 5 play drive. That one ate up a little more time than they were hoping.
You're exactly right. And if you have that 1 to 5 play drive,
onside,
you build up momentum and even more hope. When they had to slog their way downfield, they got the touchdown, but it's almost like,
yeah,
you know,
doesn't feel right.
Exactly.
Elsewhere in the NFL, they're in the 4th down in New Orleans. And that one goes the way of the Saints. Drew Brees, 3 touchdown passes to help lead the way. And
fuck you, Juju.
By the hand seam. And that should just about put a capper on this one. They had to go for it with no timeouts remaining, though now. This one's as good as over.
Make them fumble. Hit stick harder than you've ever hit stick someone in your life.
On the onside kick, you're exactly right. They had to try it. It was the only option. And now this game is done. Just take it, kneel, and call it a day.
Offside, defense.
Well, we looked at each other right when he flinched. We knew that that flag was coming.
Not going to let him. Not going to let him.
Mark off the 5 and keep it moving.
Why are you waiting?
Now contact up front as penalty markers come in. Who is this against?
Encroachment.
Who is this against? Are you fucking retarded? Do you actually have eyes?
Earned that first down, did they?
Well, they're not having earned much, are they? Back-to-back penalties. First was 1st and 5, and now they give them a first down.
Fuck.
And partner, this first week, this first game that we get to call together. So
all right.
We're
gonna fucking recoup.
Fly over the big American flag out there before
we're gonna practice hard.
It is an opening day, opening game. It's just nothing like
we're gonna come back from this. This was a terrible showing. They're gonna be going through hell this week.